Hello and welcome to Holistic Workshop. We do not live like our hunter-gatherer ancestors and lead increasingly sedentary lifestyle, spend hours sitting at work, in front of computers, TV, driving to work, leading to increased risk for type 2 diabetes, obesity, stroke, cardiovascular disease, dementia, and reduced lifespans. I've given the references below. In addition to sedentary lifestyle, we are consuming more processed food, including refined grains, devoid of the outer cover bran, leading to fiber and nutritional deficiency. Now, enough of science. Food is medicine. This knowledge should not be hidden. Today, I give you the formula of 50-50 of how to make food easily digestible with nutrients and fibers. You can choose 50% whole wheat flour with any vegetable you like. Spinach, carrot, beetroot, cucumber, fenugreek. I am going to make rainbow bread for you. Take 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of shredded spinach. Add this and then add water to knead the dough to the desired consistency. After this, use a marble slab with a rolling pin and make the bread in any shape you desire. Now, I have tried to make it circular. Then heat your skillet with low to medium flame and place your flattened dough onto the heated skillet. Next, you can use a cup of whole wheat flour, and I have shredded beetroot, and I'm going to go through the same process of kneading the dough, rolling my flat bread, and heating it on the hot skillet. Now, you could use oil or no oil. I have used half a teaspoon of canola oil, or sometimes I use clarified butter to increase the taste. This is very digestible. Everyone likes to eat, including children, and they get the vegetables. You decrease the amount of whole wheat and make this easily digestible. Here I'm taking carrots, again shredded, 1 cup, and again 1 cup of whole wheat flour. After kneading the dough, I roll my bread and place it on the skillet. I have shown you 3 ways to make your rainbow bread, which has only 90 to 100 calories and is dense in fiber. Multiple studies have now shown that we are eating less fiber than is recommended. An average American is getting 15 grams of fiber as recommended to 30 grams per day. Thank you for visiting us at Holistic Workshop. Welcome and begin your own journey towards health and happiness. Thank you.